Do you know many people are having trouble with cleaning the crotch strap of their Maxi-Cosi Minla High Chair? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate crotch strap. Begin by finding the crotch strap on your Maxi-Cosi Minla High Chair. Step 2. Unhook strap gently. Gently pull it to unhook from its attachment points. Be careful not to apply too much force. Step 3. Slide strap out. Slide the unhooked crotch strap out of the loops, which keep it in place. Step 4. Clean strap carefully. Using a sponge and mild soap, gently clean your crotch strap. Stay away from harsh detergents. Step 5. Air dry strap. Let the crotch strap air dry completely before putting it back on the high chair. Step 6. Reattach cleaned strap. Lastly, reattach the dried strap by securing it back into the loops from where it was removed. So there you have it. You've successfully cleaned and reattached your high chair's crotch strap. It's now ready for use again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Maxi-Cosi users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.